What are you looking at?
A beach house. Let's inside. Is that a bunk bed? Wait, does our beach house have a bunk bed?
Yeah, I think so.
I call the bottom. No, I meant like Again, I called. We did.
Does it look nice?
Is this video? Somebody get me down from here. Guys, come here. This is a death trap. Guys, Mom, look at this ladder. Hey, guys. Somebody. Okay. I'm coming. This is like a death trap.
Yeah, you're wet. Take it off.
I'm David. I'm David.
Yeah, there's the door.
And he closed it because I'm going on.
There's a bathroom in here. Holy cannoli. Look at Mommy.
Stare, but some of our coworkers are naked.
Oh, they're taking a bath over there.
Nice bath. They're going to get their food. I noticed all the water buckets lying on the wall there.
Yeah, for
One
South
stand.
Carolina is required by law. Well,
I guess it's not
after
for
each
you.
tour, each animal gets a minimum of a 15-minute rest in front of water. And to ensure they're not getting overheated, we're also required by law to take their temperature. The first public building in our city to have that nifty invention known as the elevator. Again, for obvious reasons. And up ahead of us at the end of Broad Street is the old Exchange and Provost Dungeon. That was
What?
If you tell somebody your wish, will it come true?
I don't know. I think you're not supposed to tell. Whoa!
Why did this? Did you get the sword from the dollar store?
What's a pirate's favorite letter? Oh, you think it's the R, but it's really the C.
Okay, once you get all your garbage.
All right, give us our biggest args.
No, take
Hold
a
on,
picture of
wait.
me. I want to see what I look like.
I will in a second. Arg.
My battery's
Oh, look.
well, don't come out here with a dead battery now. We got a lot of pictures to take. We got a full adventure. Yep.
Take a picture, okay?
All right, hold on. Let me get Carter's.
Nice work, pirate.
Adventure Abigail and Angelfish Ayla and Cannonball Carter and Cutthroat Camden and Archerfish Aaron.
Okay, can I see what?
Trust, quiet, pirate. I like my pirates to use their loudest outside voice you ever use when you talk to the captain. So when I count to 3, I want to hear a real loud aye aye, captain. 1, 2, 3! Oh my. Give me 1 hour with that rule. All right, crew, now listen up. No. Louder! Everybody get one? Who here is ready to find some treasure? Welcome aboard to the Black Coast. He stole our keys, crew. That's not good. Battle stations! Let's go! Grab a cannon! We gotta get this cannon! Grab a cannon! Grab a cannon! Grab a cannon! Whoa! Get out! Get out! Get On my mark. Ready? Aim. Fire! That's right. Soak yourself up in the riches! That's what we came here for! There you go, Buccaneer, soak it up! Now everybody, go to the captain and get a treasure pouch. Everyone go get your treasure pouch.
Is Sneaky Pete?
Pouch, mate. Let the pouch go back to the treasure chest. Go get a treasure pouch, Savage. Oh. Arg! Crew, that's what a pirate says when he's having a bad day. What's going on back there?
You're not going to.
Arg! double hard.
Oh, he double crossed
Not
us!
the right keys!
We got one key left, mateys. If that scallywag gave us the wrong keys, we're in trouble.
Yeah, I knew it was too easy.
How's your dental plan? If your tooth doesn't work, I'm going to need your teeth, okay? Okay, good. He's on board, so you're in luck. You get to keep those chompers because this one fits.
I thought sneaky.
All crew, gather around. Gather around.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
No, I said loudest on 3. 1, 2, 3! No. You are a bad one. No. I want to rattle every window in this marina. On 3! 1, 2, 3!
Nice job, crew. That was good. Nice job, mateys.
Yeah. You cozy. Go back to the house. Oh, messy. All right, go to the car. We'll wipe you off.
I guess you're done?
Mommy.
You're messy? I see, you're all messy. How about we go home and get cleaned up, okay? Guys, get your seats.
Throw that ice cream cone in the trash can. Oh no.